Yo, what up, guys? This is Panda here, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to play 120 FOV in Apex Legends. All right. First thing you wanna do, come over here. You're gonna type sa saved games. After you do that, this is gonna pop up to you. Click respawn, Apex, profile, and then profile once again. You click that. This is gonna come up to you. All right. And then this is gonna be all your Apex settings, everything gonna find here. So the first thing you wanna change, then the only thing you wanna change is this, the CL underscore FOV scale. For you, it's gonna be like 2 point something. I don't care about that. Just change that to 1.7. That's the 120 FOV. All right. After you do that, you're gonna come over here, save, exit out, and then right click, go to properties, and then you're gonna click on the read only. All right, and then you're gonna open up your game. Simple as that. Your game has opened, and then you might be playing, or you're gonna check your settings. You're gonna come here, video settings. For you, you might be it's still gonna be saying 110, but that 110 is a fake number. It's gonna be 120 on a real game. So if you load into a game, really, you're gonna see 120. That your FOV is gonna be 120 instead of 110. All right. I don't know why is it like that, but that's how it is. I can't do shit about that. All right. You finish that, log into a game, and that's it. You got it. You can play, enjoy it. If you don't like it, the only way to change it back, you're gonna exit out the game. You're gonna go to your settings again. You're gonna look up. Actually, I already have it open, so you're just gonna come over here, profile, and then gonna profile, right click, and then come over here to properties and then you're gonna come over here read only. You're gonna check that box. You're gonna yeah, uncheck that box really, and then apply it, all right? And then next thing I want to do is just go to the load into an Apex, and then in Apex you can just change whatever you want to change, all right? That's it. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do everything you want to do. All right, see you guys.